Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're tackling something that blew up a bit on social media recently, our mission.
Bring back a number.
Yeah, just a number, but like a really long kind of mysterious one. It went viral because Elon Musk tweeted about it. Okay, so we've got this image, right? A tweet from Musk. Looks like it was 22 minutes old when this was captured, and he just says, wow, a prime number with 420 digits. Then there's the number itself. It starts 888, keeps going and going and going, feels like forever, and ends with 0.8881. And yeah, below it, the text is a prime with 420 digits. My first reaction was just, wow, okay, that's specific. What makes a number like this special? Why 420 digits? Is there a significance there? And honestly, why is Elon Musk tweeting about math?
Right, that's the big question, isn't it? I mean, the source of the tweet doesn't exactly spell out why 420 digits or, his deep personal motivation. But what it does do, I think, is tap into this kind of enduring fascination with fundamental math concepts. Even for someone, so focused on tech and space, it brings us right back to basics. What's a prime number?
Ah, right. The definition.
Yeah, just a quick refresher for everyone. Prime numbers. They're those whole numbers, like 2, 3, 5, 7, whatever, that you can only divide evenly by 1 and, well, themselves. Nothing else works. They're kind of like the Lego bricks of numbers. You build all other whole numbers by multiplying primes together. But when you're talking 420 digits long, finding one is, well, it's a whole different ballgame. Their rarity, the sheer difficulty, it gets pretty wild.
Okay, so it's not just a jumble of digits. It's specifically prime. That's the key thing here. And if it's that long, 420 digits. How on earth do you even find something like that? Are we talking like massive supercomputers running for ages? Or is there some clever math trick?
That's it exactly. You definitely don't just stumble across these things. Finding really large primes is a major challenge. It sits right at the intersection of pure mathematics and computer science. It usually involves enormous computing power, specialized algorithms running for, sometimes a very long time. So this particular number Musk tweeted, it's really a showcase of that ongoing search, that computational effort.
Okay, so it's more than just, hey, look at this cool, huge number. It has implications, real-world uses. Tell us a bit about the why should we care part beyond just being impressed by the size.
Precisely. Yeah, this isn't just for mathematicians locked away in towers. It's actually fundamental to our digital lives. The difficulty of factoring large numbers, essentially splitting them back into their prime building blocks, that's the foundation of a lot of modern cryptography.
Cryptography, like secure websites and stuff.
Exactly that. Think about your online banking, sending secure messages, data protection generally. A lot of it relies on algorithms, like RSA is a famous one, where the security is directly from the fact that factoring really big numbers, often products of large primes, is incredibly hard.
Ah, I see.
So these huge primes, they help create digital locks that are, for all practical purposes, unbreakable. The bigger and more complex the primes involved, generally the stronger the encryption. So while Musk's tweet might just be a wow, cool number moment, the math behind it is, well, it's securing a lot of our online world.
Huh. That definitely puts a different perspective on it. Not just abstract math anymore. So, okay, stepping back. This fascination we seem to have collectively with something so abstract like a giant prime number, what does that say about us?
Yeah.
About human curiosity?
Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? I think the appeal often it comes from their fundamental nature. Prime numbers are simple in definition, only divisible by 1 in themselves. Very basic rule. But from that simple rule emerges this incredible complexity and surprising difficulty when you start looking for the really big ones. We know there are infinitely many primes. That was proven ages ago. But finding them, especially these giants, that's tough. Computationally very intensive.
Right.
It kind of highlights how vast the mathematical landscape still is. There's so much we're exploring. So our fascination, maybe it points to this deep-seated human drive to find patterns, to push boundaries, understand the structures of the universe. It reminds us that discovery isn't just about, tangible things we can see or touch. It's also about these abstract patterns, these logical structures hidden in plain sight within something as basic as numbers. So yeah, this whole deep dive, starting from just one tweet about a 420-digit prime, it really shows how sometimes profound ideas can pop up in unexpected places, like social media. And it leaves you wondering, doesn't it, what other patterns, what other complex structures are out there just sort of waiting beyond what we can currently see or compute, whether that's in math or physics or, the fabric of reality itself.